Hello and welcome to this short training video on KWIZ Forms. In this video, we will learn how to target default values to specific users or groups by using dynamic default values. We are currently in the Canadian context list, which we used previously, and our goal for this demo is for the department choice field to display a different value depending on the department of the user currently creating an item. For example, people in the sales department would have the sales value by default, and persons from the help desk or support department will see the support value by default. So first thing, let's go to the dynamic default value settings page. We need to create two rules for this list that will be pretty similar. First thing we have to do is select the department field in the field choices, and afterwards we need to select the target, the audience that this rule will apply to. I'll open the search window and search for sales in the SharePoint groups category, and I have a group called sales. I will add it to my form. We then need to enter the default values. As you see, KWIZ Forms already shows us the choices that we have in that certain field. So I will select the sales option. And let's add the default value by clicking the Add Default Value Rule button. We now need to add a similar rule on the department field, however for the helpdesk SharePoint group with default value support. So let me find the helpdesk group, helpdesk, add it to our audience, and then in the default value select support and add this default value rule as well. And as you can see, we can see all the current default value rules that apply to our form. And in our case, we only have the two that we just added. So let me click on OK. And let's go to our form to test it out. Currently, I'm logged in as a person of the sales group. So when I will add a new item, the default value in the department will be sales. Let me go to a different browser in which I'm logged in as a user from the helpdesk group or the support group. Let me navigate to the Canadian context list. When I add a new value, you'll see that the default department value is support. So our dynamic default values that are different for different audiences worked. Thank you for watching this video on how to target default values to specific users or groups on KWIZ Forms.